The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra is a high-end phone with a powerful processor, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system. It is powered by the Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which is one of the fastest processors on the market. It also has a 6.67-inch PAL display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, which makes it perfect for gaming and watching videos. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra's camera system is one of its most impressive features. It has a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor. This allows you to take stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Other features of the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra include a 4,610 mAh battery with 125-watt fast charging, 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage. It is available in two colors, Interstellar Black and Starlight White. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra is a great option for anyone who is looking for a high-end phone with all the latest features. Since the back cover is made of frosted glass and cannot be suctioned off with a suction cup, use a safety razor blade to carefully pry open a small gap. Insert a plastic pry card and drip in a small amount of alcohol to dissolve the adhesive. Slowly slide the card along the edges of the back cover, being careful not to insert it too deeply to avoid damaging the internal cables. If the card gets stuck, apply more alcohol. Once the back cover is removed, you will see that the camera cover is glued to the motherboard cover. Use a pry bar to gently pry it up. The adhesive is strong, so it may require some effort. Apply more alcohol if necessary. Quickly remove all screws. Use a pry bar to pry off the motherboard cover. The first thing you will see is a large 200 megapixel camera with mechanical OIS and autofocus. Disconnect the ribbon cables one by one. Note that the battery has two connectors, and both must be disconnected first. The battery is strongly glued in place. Apply alcohol to help dissolve the adhesive and use a pry bar to slowly pry it up. Important: do not use a metal pry bar, as it could damage the battery and cause it to catch fire. Remove the motherboard, speaker, and dock connector. The disassembly is now complete. Let's reassemble this. Thanks for watching.